When it comes to the human experience, you have to learn how to move first. Who taught you how to move? Was it Edo, Roy Gold, Odelia, or one of the old greats, Alexander, Feldenkrais, Delsarte, Gindler, Bernstein, or Ida Rolf?
To make a person feel more effective, more efficient, to make him better organized, better coordinated.
Who taught you how to breathe, how to sleep, sit, stand, walk, run, or has everything been self-taught up till this point?
So here you are. I'm going to, we'll get on with it, and then move. Now, does that do anything for you?
If you are like everyone else, you weren't given a user manual when you were born.
How come that our teachers don't know that? How come that our parents don't know that? How come that half the scientific world has that in all their books? Isn't that ridiculous? Isn't that a shame for humanity?
We mostly teach ourselves. We frequently install poor software on outdated hardware, and it's been difficult to update and access. But we keep adding more and more software year after year, new sports, new dances, new movements, mixed martial arts, gymnastics, yoga, and every other art form. Adding software onto outdated hardware has been the norm for centuries. That's why the movement culture is here now, to help update our hardware in support of fresh new software with cleaner and faster installations. The human experience gets way better when you learn how to move first. Let's you and I take a little journey into our past together. The movement culture refers to a holistic approach to physical activity that emphasizes the exploration, development, and mastery of movement in all its forms. It often includes elements from gymnastics, martial arts, dance, parkour, yoga, calisthenics, and more. Movement culture is not just about fitness or sports, but about cultivating a deep understanding of the body, improving physical and mental well-being, and enhancing creativity through movement. Origins of movement. Movement culture emerged as a reaction to the compartmentalization of fitness and physical practices. Rather than focusing on one sport, discipline, or training method, it encourages cross-disciplinary exploration and breaking free from conventional fitness routines. It emphasizes the philosophy of seeing the body as a whole and as a tool for expression, exploration, and functional capability. Key factors that contributed to the rise of movement culture include martial arts and traditional practices. Many martial arts and traditional physical disciplines, such as capoeira, tai chi, and yoga, have long embraced a broad perspective on movement. These disciplines often serve as a foundation for movement culture. Rise of functional training. Functional training, which focuses on movements that mimic real-world tasks, gained popularity in the fitness world. Movement culture builds on this, adding creativity and variability, social media and global connectivity. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram allowed practitioners from different disciplines to share their approaches, creating a global network of movement enthusiasts. Prominent figures in the movement. The rise of movement culture can be largely attributed to influential figures like Ido Portal, an Israeli movement teacher who popularized the concept of blending multiple disciplines. Portal's philosophy of movement as a practice and his work with high-profile athletes brought attention to the movement culture. Interest in mind-body connection. Growing awareness of the importance of mental health and the mind-body connection played a significant role in promoting practices that combine mindfulness, creativity, and physicality. Core principles of movement culture, diversity in movement, encouraging exploration across multiple disciplines to avoid the limitations of a single training modality. Mind-body integration, fostering awareness of how the body moves and reacts, often incorporating mindfulness and meditation. Playfulness and exploration, treating movement as a creative and playful activity rather than just a workout or sport. Adaptability and functionality, emphasizing movements that improve overall physical capability, flexibility, and adaptability in different environments. Community and sharing, collaboration and sharing knowledge within the community to inspire growth and innovation. Movement culture has grown into a global phenomenon, with practitioners, workshops, and online communities dedicated to spreading its principles and encouraging others to rediscover their potential for movement.